tube gets hot, but the main heat is generated on this side. Happy Wednesday, how are we doing today? Hey, let's see what we're working on. Hey, a pair of 351 Windsor heads came in here. They're in here to get cleaned, magnaflux, to check the valves, and we got some broken bolts. There's one here on the end, pretty typical on these. There's the other head, one here. I'm going to try to get this out with vice grips. And that same head broke off this intake bolt. So from the factory it runs a small tube that goes around to each head and off to the pump. This guy wants to eliminate that. So I'm going to tap them and put these thermactor plugs in there. So let me do that with my Ford-O-Matic thermactor plug tapper, also known as a 5/8 11 tap. Sometimes this is hard to start because of the carbon. There we go. The reason that was so hard to start, I cut the end of the tap off. Don't use a standard tap in this. Let me see if I can get this out with vice grips now. Alright, I sprayed this with PB Blaster when it came in, and I've already beat on it, like it owes me money. Let's see if we got any luck here. You gotta say raw when you do that. It's not moving. Let me try a little heat. Get out of there. I'm going to let it cool. Okay, let's see if this thing will cooperate now. Bitch. That damn bolt just doesn't want to play nice. But it ain't going to win. I'm going to get it out. Let me get these in the wash. Alright, I got them out of the wash. I'm going to do just a little buff before I mag them. Get rid of the carbon so I don't miss any cracks. So I magged them already. This is an electromagnet. Creates a magnetic field. And then just has some magnetic particle in here, and I just sprinkle it over it. If I would have had a crack, I'd show you. Let me deal with these bolts now. I'm just going to cut this troublemaker off. It's not going to come out. I'm not going to weld on it. I've already heated it. I'm just going to cut it off. I hope you got your glasses on because the sparks are going to fly. Okay, I'm going to clean some of the crud out of these, because what I'm going to do is attack them from this side and see if I can get them to unscrew. So let me clean those up. Yeah, it's a little better. Okay, I got the first one in the head machine. I'm ready to drill. Now a lot of times I'll drill from the backside here and it'll just screw it right out. Hope that happens. You're wondering how I leveled it? Well, I leveled it on that bolt. So let me drill it. I'm gonna drill it dry. I want that bit to grab a hold of that bolt. My clamp got in the way, I had to move the head. See if I got any threads. Alright, we got nice threads in there. I got the other end in there. I'm not going to film it unless I have to helicoil it or have a problem. So let me get that done and I'll be right back. Okay, second head. Came out great. Now let me deal with the exhaust on this one. Okay, I just got them centered by hand. Now I'm going to put it in the head machine. I'm probably just going to punch these for helicoils because they are stuck. I'm going to try a reverse bit. I don't think it's going to work, but let's give it a shot. Let me tighten that chuck a little bit. That one ain't going to do it. Let me try the other one. These things are just glued in here. Nope. Ooh, that wasn't good. Get the reverse bit in here. I'm going to go really fast. It's smaller. That bolt's in there doing the hokey pokey now. Let me blow it out. All right, other hole. So they're both out. I'm going to have to helicoil them though. The threads are pretty butchered. There we go. Second one. Okay, I got them tapped. Leave the oil in there. It helps this glide in better. Just a coily little slinky thing. And there's an installing tool that goes on. And you just screw it in like a bolt. I try to keep my hands out of the way here. There's a tab on the bottom I'll show you that needs to be broken off, or else when you put the bolt in, it'll drive that helicoil in and everything will get all messed up. So here's that little tab on the bottom. Make sure you break that off. And the second one going in. Squeak. It's a little squeaky. Let me find something to break that off. So you can get about anything to break it off. I just got it easy out here. And how about this for a hammer? It'll work a lot better than any engine. Let me put this back where it goes. Nice shot. Okay, a couple simple bolt hole repairs. Say last time I did some bolt hole repairs, a couple people in the comments, they told me how much they just love taking out broken bolts. You know, I don't think they've taken them out before because it's not a picnic. Let me get these heads in the surfacer. Well, I'll get one at a time, huh? Okay, I got it in the surfacer. Okay, I made a witness mark. It's hitting all the way across, and it's level end for end. I'm going to keep it running fast because this thing's warped. This head's got a pretty good twist to it. It's not hitting all the way across, but it hit all the way across on this end. See that? It's heavy right there. It's twisted. So the whole head gets hot, but the main heat is generated on this side where the exhaust is. So that's why you're seeing a warp more on this side. Here we go, coming at it again. I'm gonna run this faster. So I just cleared the end. It's still smoked in the middle. I'm gonna stay on high speed. Got a bad spot right there. Okay, looking good here. Getting a little light here. Let's see what it does in the middle. Okay, we got it kind of. A little speckly right there, see? A little bit on that chamber too. Coming off the end. I'm going to stay on high feed till the ride back. There you go, it's coming to eat. Get rid of that spot. Okay, I hope this is the final pass. Across the middle. So this mark in the middle is gone. Goes this one. It's done. Alright, this is the second head. It was about like the first one. Making the last pass here. Coming across the middle. Just coming up on the end chamber. Looking good. And just coming off the end. Alright, one last thing. Alright, don't hit a hammer with a hammer. Like that, don't do it. Alright, now they're ready. Boy, that engine got cooked, didn't it? Guy's lucky that didn't crack them heads. Those bolts sure were a bitch. I got them out though. Hey, thanks for coming along on this Windsor Wednesday. Kind of rhymes, didn't it? Hey, you guys come back and see me tomorrow, okay? I'll be doing something. Meantime, you guys have a nice night and be nice to each other. Bye.